Hey guys, it's me again, Maria, and welcome back to another PLANTZILLA video. Today we will tag you along as we look for Philodendron Brazil. We will check out Martin's garden, but before that, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell button beside it so you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. And if you are interested, then let's begin. Here, time check, it's 12:30 in the afternoon. So this is Martin's garden and it's located in Tinago, Dawis, Bohol. It is just along the highway before you reach Panglao and before you reach the STI College Dawis campus. Most of the plants that I am seeing in front of his garden are perfect for your landscape gardening. There is a huge tarsier here, and there is, I don't know what is this, but you will see this before you get inside. And there is also a cute fountain with small fishes. His philodendron collections are inside the den, so we really need to get in. So come on. This cute philo sunlight welcomed us when we get in. Unfortunately, this is not for sale. So you will see pots of dwarf moonlight, including the calathea or biphelia. He has so many plants available in his nursery, so you may drop by here. And there is also this Homalomina sulcata. So he has this here and the Calathea dotty. You will also see this Ficus black prince here in his collection. There is also one large Birkin here, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 leaves. And there is also this fiddle leaf. And he also has this Calathea crimson beside this variegated bromax. And if I'm not mistaken, this is the Alocasia African mask. There is as well a giant moonlight here. And he also has babies of fiddle leaf, Calathea dotty, and the Scindapsus exotica. Beside here, the Scindapsus exotica is a Ficus elastica variegata. I'd love to take this one cute dotty here, but it's not part of the plan, so I'm not taking it today. And he's been nursing a lot of plants here. There is also this baby Melanoni. He has also the Calathea rosy and the Aglaonema suxum jampong. I'm not sure if I'm right. Fern here will be the staghorn fern, but there is a Monstera adansoni here. No pole yet. And there's this baby pink princess that my husband was inquiring about. He has a lot of Birkins here, and there is this Calathea dotty. These plants were shipped from Thailand. So as you can see, marami na siyang dahon. On this area is a Philodendron millinoni. He thought this is a dwarf one. And a spider plant. On the right side is steel matting that is tied with a nylon thread, which is a smart idea if you want to save some space in your tiny garden. This is a mixed area where you can see pots of Calatheas, Sansevierias, and there are also pothos in here, begonias. There are a lot. And this one right here is a mother tricolor. I don't know where's the top cut. Let's move on to what's below. This is the Big Roy, and he said that it's from Davao. He has different varieties of Aglaonemas, guys. However, not everything here is for sale, and that's the sad thing. Oh, there's another tricolor here. I know for sure that my mama will take this, so I will be back later and I will bring her. This is the Big Roy. Apart from the plants that I will be buying now, I will be back later with my mom because for sure she will buy a lot. There are so many varieties of Aglaonemas here. However, not everything is for sale. Like this one, I love this, but he's not selling it. Guys, if you happen to know the names of the Aglaonemas that I am showing here, please do comment that down below. I believe that this one here is a Homalomina as well, but of a different variety. And these are the Brazils that I came here for. They are 200 pesos each pot. So I will choose some here. No, I think I'll just take one and we'll let my mom choose one for her as well when we come back. There are pots of Sansevierias as well. Sir, kanimong Monstera ba stable na ne?
Bago na umabot ako. I-reserve na eh. Ako kuha na eh. Pera ni mo. Oh, sige. Ha? Tagay ko. Good na.
Uy, maliki mo po diri nga side di man taw na mga planong paliton. Oy, mo palit pa man ko grade Congo. Uy, mga bonsils oh. Okay, let's move on from that, guys. Wala na ako magagawa. Nagka-deal na sila. Kinuha na niya kasi vlog lang ako ng vlog dito sa gilid. So guys, if you'd like to have this type of plants, I believe that this is a zebra. If I'm right, correct me if I'm wrong. Because hindi ko masyadong kilala yung mga ganitong halaman eh. I also love to get philo sunlight, but I'm just afraid that I might get scammed. Or baka ma-expectation versus reality.
Oh my God! Kita ra magkasinabot ani kay magbahanyo-hanyo ta.
Dito Congo ta, hindi pala dito roho.
Roho kay
Roho nga
Spanish.
rin siya, pero la.
Ayuro kempay ta kaping princess diya nga di na mo imong tuyo nya pag humandi ko.
Nao kating
Paitan.
Masayod. Di ba bisa ka nga di ko na dito. Naka kasi ganahan ka kay ato na uban sa moa.
Hi, okay, so we're taking 2. I have nothing to do about it na. So, ayun na lang, babalik nila ako mamaya dito before evening. Hi there, variegated Burl Max. I don't have much to buy you, sobrang expensive. And this is the purple sword, I believe. This is also another side of the garden in which he has Silum here. Then there's also the Burl Max, the ordinary Burl Max. And then there's also a huge one. And then Melanoni. He has a lot of huge Melanoni here.
Okay guys, magmo-move on ako. Magmo-move on na talaga ako. Okay? Uuwi na naman ako ng isa pang pink princess. Pangatlo ko na to.
Oh, this one's ready for propagation now. Tingnan nyo. I don't know if they are for sale. Nauna na silang lumapas. So, nagpaiwan pa ako dito kasi i-video ko pa tong iba niyang halaman dito. Sobrang dami pa dito guys eh. But one thing that I noticed, wala po siyang black cardinal dito, which is something that I am always looking for every time na nagpa-plant hunting kami or nagpa-plant haul.
Silver Bay.
Ha?
Silver Bay. Dagang kayo bunso yun eh.
Wala natunga na gani nakumpra naman ni Ma'am Ardin ug ni Ma'am Analisa. Daghan ko guwapa kay bonsai niya to. Nakumpra naman tag 5-5 tapos katong mga sampak.
Hey, calling all bonsai lovers! Bisita kayo dito! So yun guys, I will take you around on the other side of his garden. Sobrang dami niyang pandanus. Pandanus yung tawag namin dito dito sa amin. I don't know how you call it or what you call it in your place. Most of the plants here are perfect for landscaping. So baka dito kumukuha yung mga nagla-landscape kasi marami siya dito Tsaka ito yung parang pinaparami niya. I just don't know since it is along the highway and wala siyang bakod. I'm just hoping na walang mangialam dito or walang uso pa naman yung ngayon yung mga nagnanakaw ng plants. Eto marami siyang ficus dito. I think these are ficus as well. Most of the plants here are already stable and potted na. So pag binili mo, transfer mo na lang sa nila landscape mo. And he also has the Eugenias here. Talagang nadadaanan ko to Sometimes pag nagbabiking kami, dumadaan kami dito. However, what's in front of the garden are usually the bonsais. And hindi naman yun yung hinahanap ko kasi para sa akin mahal yun. Pero pag philodendron, binibili ko. So I did not know that he has a lot of philodendrons as well. So we never tried to get inside or inquire here. So guys, if you are within Bohol and if you happen to go plant hunting, you may drop by at Martin's Garden here at Tinago Dawis, just along the highway guys. And he is a gardener. He's the one who propagates the plants. So, hindi lang siya basta-basta reseller na nagbibenta-benta lang ng mga hindi pa stable kasi marami na po siyang napropropagate dito. Marami malaki yung place niya na pinaglalagyan ng mga halaman niya na pinapatubo niya. So, you can be sure na talagang buhay na sila when you buy them. You can get his plants at good deals guys kasi negotiable yung prices ng mga halaman nila and sure talaga na buhay na. He's a good man guys. You can try to approach him. He's approachable as well. He also has adenium guys and according to him, some of the exhibitors in the expo get their plants from here. So guys, I'm not yet done. I still want to roam around here. Let's check.
Kasi nga na ni sir.
Wandering June na siya.
Huh?
Hanging plant, Wandering June.
Wandering June.
This is a space for hanging plants as well. Sana naman magkaroon din ako ng ganito soon. I'd like to have a garden like this in which you can propagate a lot of plants and you'll put them according to their variety. There are dumpkins here as well. Madami na sila and they are in one space. I don't know these types of plants.
The place is so awesome. Medyo nakakatakot nga lang sa part na wala siyang bako dito and it's along the highway lang. Pero sana naman walang mangialam. Respeto naman. Pangkabuhayan to. And let's respect each other. So, ang kaganda ng mga halaman niya guys. I'd love to have.
Sige, pag-inugong ka muna.
Ikaw na guys. Twirl, ano.
I really thought that plants like that would twirl on its own. Ganun ako ka-ignorante sa mga ganyang halaman. And there's a lovely cordyline here. Meron si mama dito. Malalaking ganito.
Hello, wow. Ang say nga, di ana.
Agabe, maldita agabe.
Maldita? Mo, natambal, kuan?
Wa
Congo?
ko kahibaw kung kuan ba na siya. Tambal ba na.
Nalagi, kuan na ni stones. Anay, kuan na name. Grabe. Ikaw na po nagporma, ani. Kaya di man dyan nga ni porma inigtubo.
Oo, na.
Oh, grabe.
Sobrang dami pa niya guys. Nalulula na ako. This area here is more on the nursery or the baby plants. There are a lot of baby plants here. He used to have a space in Tagbilaran City, but he had to transfer here because he wants to have a bigger space to propagate his plants. So ayan guys, there are so many baby plants in plastic pots here.
Saan mo pagpalit ang 5,000 ang per square meters?
Mabapalit mo ng puno.
So he's renting lang pala kasi mahal nga naman talaga along the highway. And I think that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching guys. It has been Maria, the voice of PLANTZILLA BHL. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon beside it so you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for watching. We have to go now. Bye!